Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you set your mobile phone screen timeout. If your mobile screen timeout around 30 second or 1 minute, and if you want to encourage your time or your phone timeout, if you want to encourage, so what should you do? In this tutorial I'm going to show you that, and this process is also same for every Android device. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So first you need to go your phone settings. So guys, here you can see this is my phone settings, so just open it, and now you need to scroll down, and now you need to find out screen or display or lock screen option. There you can see there have a option always on display and lock screen. There have a option you can see, so just tap it, and after that you get a option. There you can see sleep option. There have a option sleep, so just tap on this sleep, and now there have a lot of option for 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minute, or if you set never, then your phone is not slept. If you need to tap power button, then you can sleep it. So you can select your as own wish. You can select anything, 2 minute or 5 minute you can select, then that's okay. After 2 minute or 5 minute your phone going to sleep or screen lockout. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.